Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rimchim Kinsaria. I hope you are all healthy, happy and safe. In today's class, we'll see the plot, or you can say the summary of Godan, the Premchand's Godan, which is the gift of a cow, or you can say the cow donation. It is one of the most important novel of Indian writing in English and one of the masterpieces of प्रेमचंद. वैसे मैंने इस पे वीडियो बना दिया है, पहले भी इसकी समरी पे एक वीडियो बनाया था, लेकिन इन दिस वीडियो आई विल समराइज इट इन इंग्लिश. दैट वाज इन हिंदी, एंड नाउ इन दिस वीडियो आई विल समराइज टेल दिस स्टोरी in English again. So let's get started. The whole story of Godan revolves around various characters of the novel, which represents the different sections of the Indian society. Are you getting my point? The characters have been shown in this way that they represents the different communities, or you can say the sections of the Indian society. The protagonist of the novel is Hori Mahato. Hori Mahato is the protagonist of the novel, who is a peasant, or you can say who is a farmer. Hori's wife is Dhanya. Dhanya is the wife of Hori, and they have 3 children: Rupa, Sona, and Gobar. They have 3 children. The eldest daughter is Sona, and youngest daughter is Rupa, and a son Gobar. Junia is their daughter-in-law, who is Gobar's wife. Hori's life represents the rural society. Here in this novel, Hori's life is representing the rural society or rural life. The story begins with Hori, who has keen desire to have a cow. Okay, he has a keen desire to have a cow. He purchases a cow from a cow herd named Bhola on debt of ₹80. ठीक है? The cow herd Bhola is a widower, and he wishes to marry again. Though he is a middle-aged man, but he wishes to marry again, and Hori promises him that he will try to find a girl for him. On this condition, he gives the cow to Hori. Okay. Hori tries to cheat his brothers for 10 rupees. When Hori has 2 brothers, okay, Hori is the eldest brother, and when Hori tries to cheat his brothers for 10 rupees, it turns to lead a fight between his wife Dhanya and his younger brother's Hira's wife Chuhiya. Okay, Hira is very jealous of his brother Hori, so he poisoned the cow. As he was very jealous, Hira was very jealous of his brother Hori, so he poisoned the cow, and the cow resultantly the cow dies, and Hira eloped because of the fear of any action from police. When the police came inquiring the death of the cow, Hori do not want to involve his brother Hira's name, so he bribed the police by taking a loan. Junia is the daughter of the cowherd Bhola. Yes, Junia is the daughter of the cowherd Bhola. She is a widow and had an affair with Gobar. Gobar के साथ उसका affair है, and Gobar impregnated her and left her on the threshold of Hori and eloped to town. He eloped to town because of the fear of the village's action. Hori and Dhanya took pity on Junia and were unable to throw a girl who is carrying their son's child in her womb. Obviously, Hori and Dhanya are very decent people. They do not wish to throw the girl who is carrying their son's child in her womb. Thus they protect and accepts her as their daughter-in-law. For giving protection and shelter to Junia, the village panchayat fines Hori. Hori has to again take a loan in order to pay the fine. Okay, he has to. This is the second time he is again taking a loan in order to pay the tax. Okay, in order to pay the fine or penalty, you can say. In this way, Hori is in huge debt. Due to this, he unwillingly marries off his younger daughter Rupa for a mere 200 rupees to save his ancestral land from being auctioned because of his inability to pay the land tax. So he married off his daughter Rupa, the youngest daughter Rupa, in order to in order to save his land and prestige, you can say. Or he marries off her only mere 200 rupees to an old man. This is the important thing. He was so helpless that he had to marry his daughter to a old man for mere 200 rupees. His persistence to pay those 200 rupees and to have a cow to provide milk to his grandson leads to Hori's death because of excessive work. See how the Hori dies. Hori dies of excessive work. Okay. When he is about to die, his wife Dhanya took out all the money, which was 1.25 rupees, and made Hori pay the priest on behalf of Godan, which means cow's donation. Okay, cow donation. Hence, Hori is shown as a typical poor farmer, but despite of his debts, problems, poverty, tortures, he remains very much decent and loyal and honest throughout his life. So Hori is shown dead, partially satisfied and partially unsatisfied. In this way, Premchand has shown us the plight and hard conditions, hard circumstances which a Indian farmer has to face. That all the plight conditions have been shown by the Premchand in a very very beautiful and very detailed description of farmer's life, peasant life in India. And on the other hand, the characters like Rai Sahib, Miss Malti, Mr. Khanna, his wife Govindi, Mr. Mehta represents the urban life. All these characters which I have named now, they represents the urban life. Their stories, the stories of Mr. Malti, the stories of Miss Malti, Mr. Mehta, Mr. Khanna, Rai Sahib goes parallelly in the novel. Rai Sahib, if I talk about Rai Sahib is a rich zamidar. He has won the local elections twice. His son marries to Miss Malti's sister Saroj. His son Rudra Pratap, he goes against his father's wish and will, and he marries to Miss Malti's younger sister, whose name is Saroj. And Miss Malti, if I talk about Miss Malti is a very beautiful and intelligent woman. She is doctor by profession and who is educated in Europe. She falls in love with Mr. Mehta. She is the center of attraction in the parties, and Mr. Mehta flirts with Miss Malti. Okay, who flirts with Miss Malti? Mr. Khanna, sorry. Not Mr. Mehta. Mr. Khanna flirts with Miss Malti, and Mr. Mehta. Now let's talk about the character sketch of, or you can say the character of Mr. Mehta. Mr. Mehta is a professor and philosopher. He is writing a book which he dedicates to Miss Malti. Okay? Though he is quite interested to marry Miss Malti, but they decides to remain as friends because Malti at the end of the novel enjoys or feels happy in helping poor people. if I talk about Mr. Khanna is the owner of the sugar factory. Is the owner of the sugar factory. He disrespects his wife, who is Govindi. He disrespects his wife, who is Govindi, and but later at the end of the novel, he starts loving his wife Govindi, who stands by him when his sugar factory was on fire. His sugar factory get demolished. That is why when she supports and stands by her husband, Mr. Khanna, that is the time when he realizes the importance of his wife and the importance of his love. The importance of his wife's love. That is the moment when he starts respecting his wife Govindi, and Govindi has been shown as an ideal Hindu wife in the novel. And in this novel of Premchand, Govindi has been shown as a very ideal Hindu wife, and even Mr. Mehta appreciates Govindi. He always gives example of Govindi to Miss Malti. He here and there he compares Malti to Govindi and tries to give her example and example of Govindi, and he is very much influenced by Govindi. So this is all about the novel. And वैसे तो we have a main character Hori, and we have to focus on the character of Hori. And besides, on the other hand, we have a subplot, or whatever you can say, that we have these characters like urban, what I have called them, who represents the urban life. We have Rai Sahib, Rudra Pratap, Mr. Mehta, Miss Malti, Mr. Khanna, Govindi. All these characters shows us or represents the urban life, and they are the story of all these characters goes parallelly. So in the last video I described the plot or the summary of the novel in Hindi, and this is the video for the people who are not able to understand the Hindi language, so that I have made the separate video in English. So this is all about today's class. We'll soon meet in the next class. Till then, stay happy and safe. Thank you very much for listening this video patiently, and do like and subscribe this channel, and hit the like button if you like the video, and do like and subscribe, and please share as much as you can.